Hello Scratchers, I'm going to teach you how to make a mobile joystick like this one. It's pretty cool, right? So let's create a project. No deleting the cat this time. Create a new sprite with paint. Choose a color. So I'm going to choose blue, light blues, light blue, right? And then draw a circle. Drag it over to the corner. And then when flag clicked, you just enter these coordinates. You don't change it because those are the coordinates to the corner where you dragged it. So go back to the costumes, you duplicate this, and then you choose another color, choosing light green, and then you just draw another circle right there. And then here, wait, you delete it because it needs the circle. So you duplicate it, and then you drag the circle here. Like that. And then you go to the square tool, make it white. So what we're going to do, it's to make it so that if your mouse pointer gets off the joystick, it will still move the cat. This one. So draw a square and then put backward there. Now it's backward, but this is the only one showing. So we also make this go to the front. There you go. So you put it there. Now you fill. You go to the outline and click this, so there's no outline. There, no more outline, so it's invisible. Now let's start coding. So get a forever loop. Also get an if boolean block. So let's put mouse down and touching mouse pointer. Oh yeah, you change the if to an if else right here. And then you put here, wait a sec. Oh yes. So you put here broadcast move. Make new message. And then you also put switch costume to costume. Wait, which one? Costume 2. Yes, costume 2. And then wait a sec, I forgot it, so I need to check my other project. Pretend I didn't do it, okay? Just pretend. Okay. Point towards mouse pointer. Please pretend you did not see that. And in the else part, we put Switch costume to costume 1. Go to the cat sprite. When I receive move forever, if, and you get a flag boolean. Wait, no, it's not a boolean, it's just a normal block, because I got confused because this one's the boolean block. So we go here, and then we put go to 0, 0 right there, and then we put on a forever, and then set drag mode not draggable. So we go in the if, we do mouse down, and then we do point in direction 90, and instead of 90 you drag backdrop of stage, and then change this one to sprite 2, and then put direction, and then put move 7 steps. So yeah, that's it. Cool, huh? Wait, the joystick looks weird wiggling around. I think I'll just change this a bit. I need to make it a bit smaller. There. Still wiggles around, but it's fine. So yeah, we're done.